This is how I do my adjustable rollouts. These are Salici slides, and these are drilled 32 millimeters, or about 1.25 inches apart, using my line boring machine. So I've just got equal spacing. I count the number of holes. I put about 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, so I can see 7 of them. This hole, the one on the inside, happens to work out nice. And then I use these type of screws. These are about 1/2 inch, and they are dowel screws basically. They fit in these holes exactly. Back here. Again. Boom. Set that at, let's just go 3 1/8 at a time. 1 1/4 screws. You want to reserve these holes for being able to adjust these up and down. This is 1 inch, and this is 3/4. This is the hinge side. I could have gone with 1/2 inch, but I like 3/4 standards. Flathead 6 by 5/8. That's a 5/64 number 3 VIX bit. These have another set of holes in the front. See? But I don't like that. I like these holes. I use 1/2 inch bottoms. Pre-drill. Make sure you use a screw gun, not a impact wrench. Boom. Okay, so there you go, fully adjustable rollouts. The hinge side gets the 1-inch standard, and the non-hinge side gets a 3/4 standard. That's about it. I hope you enjoyed the whole video. Subscribe if you'd like to see further content like that, and hit the like button if you liked it. Thank you.